Opposition spokeswoman on Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Hanna, wants the government to pass legislation that will aid Jamaicans interested in investing in digital management. While making her contribution to the sectoral debate on Tuesday, member Hanna said the world is moving ahead with the use of digital currency in the metaverse, and Jamaica is lagging behind. A metaverse is a network of 3D virtual worlds focused on social connection. Here's more in this report. Opposition spokeswoman on Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Hanna, says the world is morphing into a digital space with each passing day. She says government should seek to take advantage of the economic gains in the evolving digital commerce.
Now you can digitally register anything that you own with cloud registration, also known as blockchain, to which everyone has access.
Ms. Hanna pointed to the economic benefit of NFTs.
Madam Speaker, an NFT is a unique certificate of registration of a digital asset or a one-of-a-kind digital asset that only belongs to you. You are now buying into a community, and every time you buy that asset, anybody that uses that asset has to pay you something from it.
She explains that other countries are already using brand Jamaica to make money, particularly in the metaverse.
Jamaica is a global brand, and we need to brand the metaverse with NFT, Jamaican, everything. The issue is that right now, there are people in other countries who are building Jamaica that you can visit without even coming here when you put on your digital things, and selling those vacations in the metaverse.
Member Hanna says Jamaica is in danger of being left behind, and she's urging government to pass legislation in aid of digital management.
We are not taking advantage of it, and it is going to leave us, and I am concerned. So, what is going to happen? We must have a situation where Prime Minister, we have to find a way for artists in Jamaica because many of them have to now log their accounts overseas because Jamaica does not allow you to trade in cryptocurrencies. They have to form their cryptocurrencies accounts overseas. So this is a call to action for all of us inside here to develop the legislation for Jamaican artists, musicians, and content creators to monetize their content by leapfrogging their minds to this new reality of digital ownership management and the sale of NFTs and metaverse content with cryptocurrency.